Hi, today we are going to add Hyper-V role on Server 2019 Standard Edition. So you're gonna click on the Start menu, go to Server Manager. Let's maximize the window. We're gonna click on Add Role and Features. Click Next. You're gonna go with the first option, Role Base. Next. And we're just gonna click Next, and then we're gonna click Hyper-V, Add Feature, and click Next, 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 and we're just gonna click Next again. You can select this network adapter, but we're gonna create a network adapter later on, and we're gonna add it to the VMs afterward. You're gonna click Next and Next, and this is where is the default location for the Hyper-V is. We're gonna leave this as is. I'm gonna click Next, and we can either restart once the installation is finished, or I'm just gonna click on Install. Now it's gonna install the Hyper-V feature, and once it's done, we'll be able to create virtual machines or VMs. Click on Close. We need to restart the server. It is recommended, but as you can see, the Hyper-V is been added, but is the restart is pending. I'm gonna minimize this. Let's click on the Start menu again, and I'm just gonna type Hyper-V. Okay, look like it's not gonna show up. We're gonna have to restart the server. Once we restart the server, we'll be able to see the Hyper-V. But once, if everything goes perfect, the only thing you will have to do at this point is restart the server, and then you'll be able to create the Hyper VMs. In the next video, we're gonna add a backup and a restore feature on a server 2019 or any server including 2012, 19, and server 2022. On the next video, we're gonna install a Hyper, sorry, not a Hyper, but we'll be able to add VMs to the Hyper-V, and we're gonna create the VMs on a Hyper-V. And also in the next video, we'll create a backup for this server, especially for the virtual machines. And there is a way that you can actually mount in case if you need to recover any file or restore any file from a backup, you can mount the drives back to the server, and then you'll be able to restore the files. So next video, we're gonna add backup and a restore feature on this server so we can start the backup. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe and press the notification button so you can get the new videos. It will help you get a job in IT, and also if you need to do this at home, you can also just spin up a VM on your computer. Most new computers do have virtualization. You just need to add the Hyper-V feature on it, and then you should be good to go. After the server reboot, we can click, now we can check the Hyper-V install on it. So I'm just gonna type HY, and we have Hyper-V. I'm gonna pin it to the taskbar. Once you click on a Hyper-V, we are able to create other virtual machines. So we can just click new and VMs, and then we are good to go. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create VMs, virtual machines, domain controller, file server. You can create multiple DCs as well, but on the next video I'm going to show you how you can do that. And that's it for now.